as a recently sent-off digital money based on Ethereum blockchain. Long money is otherwise called long for conglomeration of yield cultivating. Formally sent off on July 17, 2020, by cronje. Long money is one of the most valuable decentralized finance coins. It is likewise known to be a stage that expands income procured through computerized resources by yield cultivating. Look at this view before we start with definite YFI cost forecast. More well known as the token long money has a developing fan following with a goal to boost yearly rate yields and is likewise eminent as APY for its renowned clients. Known for holding the acknowledgement for an esteemed decentralized project, long money tokens are used by clients as USDC, USDT, and EDI while executing different exchanges like storing reserves, and so on. With the assistance of YFI tokens, clients can acquire loaning charges as well as exchanging expenses. Under the umbrella of long, a huge number of stablecoins get support viz. DAI, USC, UST, TUST, and SUSD, and they are additionally moved among numerous upheld DeFi conventions like Compound, OV, DaiDX, and Bend, based on which resource pool is offering the best return. Subsequently, we can include different exercises of long money, with the most noticeable ones being one of a benefit-changing loan specialist to expand loaning yield, going about as a facilitator for stablecoin exchanges, no capital robotized vendor for OV, and that of making vaults for getting and loaning needs connected with shrewd agreements. The vital classes to pick above classifications are fragmented under Procure, Zap, APR, and Vaults. It tends to be underlined that long money as a stage goes about as an impetus to advance stablecoins by means of loaning and getting through Bend money, and simultaneously improving pool liquidity with computerized resources. Worth focusing on is that the above whole ecospace of DeFi by long is overseen productively and really. The YFI token assumes a critical part here. Right now, this computerized coin cost is around $21,565.58 with a market cap of $790,708,582.40. The 24 hours exchanging volume remains at $127,896,725.40 with a circling supply of 36,638 YFI. Despite the fact that set in an exceptionally unstable universe of crypto resources, ideal elements like tight security conventions and a high-level calculation assume a truly urgent part in impacting ventures as well as long money cost forecast. The essential goal of the YFI group has been to guarantee straightforwardness and simultaneously protection. This multitude of elements comprise venture counsel by top merchants as well as specialists. The ongoing cost of long money approaches $21,555.80. In light of our expectations, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost conjecture for 2026 is $225,342. With a 5-year speculation, the complete worth of income is supposed to be around plus 621.18%, according to our yearnfinance cost expectation. There is potential for YFI cost and show it might go on a higher feeling in the digital money market. The coin cost could cross $32,320.13 toward the finish of 2022, making it a productive speculation. According to our drawn-out cost forecast, the coin could get marginally impacted by bears, yet we'll see the bull ride around 2024 and the coin might exchange between the most extreme cost of $25,867 and the least cost of $22,299. In view of our information of long money stage and its YFI token shows that the resource cost has been in an upswing for the beyond 1 year. In the forthcoming days, it might keep on showing a rising propensity. The future cost of the resource is anticipated at $108,898.93 following a year as per our expectation framework and monetary administration. Regardless of its reception in the cryptographic money market, long money cost will quite often confront heat till January 2022. Going by cost forecasts that bulls might be back, YFI's exchanging cost could ascend somewhat higher, say by 2024 $45,321.90, best case scenario. Furthermore, subsequently, merchants ought to use sound judgment prior to exchanging or effective financial planning. Established as of late in February 2020, long money has had an extraordinary group of committed experts who are specialists in the digital currency market. The previous year demonstrated exceptionally certain for long money regardless of the impacts of the pandemic. Albeit the coin eased back a piece in the final part of the year gone by, it got an extraordinary push finishing the year 2020 with huge increase. From that point forward, There has been no thinking back for long money as it kept a cost of $29,730 all through according to the most recent news. The 5 years in length estimate is given beneath that portrays the YFI arrangement of hazard as well as conjecture venture situation for crypto market examination in view of day-to-day graph and market news giving ascent and fall of long money to EFI token all-time exorbitant cost. All said and done, the YFI pattern has been very forceful, prompting an exceptionally hopeful way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for collusions. New organizations would carry YFI to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for speculations and a socially regarded digital money. In the realm of digital currencies like YFI, there could be gauges of supernatural occurrences. There could be sorcery in the present moment as well. In view of information refreshes, it wouldn't be a distortion that this estimated digital money could break every one of the obstructions and endure everyday hardship. It's scaling above past all-time high. YFI Value Expectation 2023. YFI has laid out a quick, solid organization and works with the client experience of the item. These elements can assist the YFI with begetting gain a lot greater cost of $34,766.18 per coin. On the off chance that the drive for utilitarian crypto go on into 2023, the cost might try and see a worldview rush. YFI Value Expectation 2024. There are many expectations proceeding for the YFI token, particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and progress the environment has plans on. There are presumptions that its market cost might reach $35,368.05. The intriguing limited-time adventures might wrap up, making the financial backers reap the increases. Albeit the digital money markets are totally erratic, it would maybe take a supernatural occurrence for YFI to expand its cost by that much in such a short measure of time. YFI Value Expectation 2025. YFI is likewise dynamic in local area drives, taking into account they keep up energy gathering a huge market cap. Their drives with an emphasis on training, effort, and developments might take them to a considerable degree of $45,829.36. A stunning hopefulness is likewise anticipated for YFI, mostly because of its steady presentation over years. YFI will settle to bring chivalrous returns for its clients. YFI Value Forecast 2026. In the event that all markets turn good, this advanced resource is set to break all obstructions and perform extravagantly, scaling the top as aforementioned. Violating all constraints over the course of the following year, it would without a doubt give indications of fortune. Upheld by vigorous, brilliant agreements, long money cost may handily contact $41,683.07 before the year's over 2026. How does YFI acquire esteem on the lookout? The credit goes to merchants. They have trusted in YFI, expecting it would scale peak, transforming the universe of digital forms of money. YFI has stowed its certainty absolutely based on its legitimacy. YFI has demonstrated its fortitude against its rivals. Without a doubt, long money would be worth merchants hard brought in cash. Where could I at any point purchase the YFI? All prestigious significant trades of the world convey the trademark presence of YFI. Consistent trades additionally provide you with the office of straightforwardly exchanging YFI to FI token for fiat resources like US